The title of the playlist.
Project Management Acronyms and Glossary.
The title of today's episode.
Acquisition process. Definition.
The acquisition process, in the field of project management, refers to the set of activities and procedures involved in acquiring goods, services, or resources from external sources to support the successful execution of a project. It encompasses all stages, from identifying needs and selecting suppliers to negotiating contracts, procuring resources, and managing supplier relationships throughout the project lifecycle.
Origin.
The acquisition process has been an integral part of project management since the early days of project-based initiatives. As projects became more complex and required specialized resources, organizations recognized the need for a systematic approach to acquiring external goods and services. Over time, project management frameworks and methodologies have evolved to incorporate structured acquisition processes.
Detailed explanation.
The acquisition process can be broken down into its constituent parts. Acquisition refers to the act of obtaining or procuring external goods, services, or resources required for the project. This involves identifying needs, specifying requirements, and selecting appropriate suppliers or vendors. Process denotes the series of activities, steps, and procedures followed to execute the acquisition successfully. This includes tasks such as needs assessment, market research, supplier evaluation, contract negotiation, procurement, and ongoing supplier management. The acquisition process encompasses various concepts and terminologies, such as a request for proposal, RFP, request for quotation, RFQ, supplier evaluation criteria, contract management, and procurement strategies. It involves ensuring that the acquired resources align with project requirements, meet quality standards, and provide value for the project's success.
Relevance to the field.
The acquisition process is crucial in project management for several reasons. Resource acquisition. Projects often require external resources that cannot be fully provided by the internal capabilities of an organization. The acquisition process ensures that the necessary goods, services, and expertise are obtained from external sources to fill resource gaps and support project execution. Supplier management. Effective supplier management is vital to project success. The acquisition process allows project managers to identify and select reliable suppliers, negotiate contracts, establish clear expectations, and manage supplier relationships throughout the project lifecycle. Risk mitigation. By following a structured acquisition process, project managers can mitigate risks associated with poor supplier selection, inadequate contract terms, or unreliable external resources. It helps ensure that the acquired resources meet quality standards, deliver as expected, and align with project objectives.
Usage.
The acquisition process is employed in various project management scenarios, including but not limited to procuring equipment, materials, or software required for project execution, outsourcing services or expertise not available internally, such as software development, marketing campaigns, or specialized consulting, contracting external vendors for construction projects, facility management, or infrastructure development. The acquisition process is typically initiated during the project planning phase and continues throughout project execution. It involves activities such as market research, supplier selection, contract negotiation, purchase order creation, receipt of goods services, and ongoing supplier performance evaluation and management.
Examples of application.
Here are two examples that demonstrate the practical application of the acquisition process in project management. Example 1. Construction project. In a construction project, the acquisition process involves identifying and selecting suppliers for various resources such as building materials, construction equipment, and subcontracted services like plumbing or electrical work. The project manager conducts market research, issues RFQs to potential suppliers, evaluates proposals, negotiates contracts, and manages the procurement of resources. This process ensures that the project has access to the necessary resources from reliable suppliers at competitive prices. Example 2. Software development project. In a software development project, the acquisition process may include procuring software licenses, hardware infrastructure, and external expertise. The project manager assesses software vendors, reviews licensing agreements, negotiates terms, and manages the procurement process. This ensures that the project has the required software tools, hardware resources, and external consultants to support the development process effectively. In both examples, the acquisition process enables project managers to effectively acquire external resources, manage supplier relationships, and mitigate risks associated with external dependencies. It ensures that the project has the necessary resources to achieve its objectives while adhering to quality standards, budget constraints, and project timelines.
Thank you for participating.
Thank you for being part of our YouTube journey on the Robust Digital Expert YouTube channel. We appreciate your support and encourage you to subscribe to our channel for unique educational content. You'll never miss the latest updates, new playlists, and exciting content by subscribing. Join our community of learners and professionals and gain access to a wealth of knowledge. We value your feedback, so please comment on our videos and let us know what topics you'd like us to explore. Subscribe to the Robust Digital Expert YouTube channel and embark on an exciting journey of knowledge and exploration. Thank you, and we look forward to having you as a valuable member of our community.